How do you write that instruction file? Halaman ay hindi lang dapat nasa isip, dapat
You have to know that. Then you also have to see which assessments
ang lahat ng bansa sa pagsusulat ng mga ay
This venue of collaboration is very important because we are able to strengthen we are able to maximize each other's strengths.
For the teachers, no? Nagtratrabaho, nag-aaral at nagsisikap at minsan na-frustrate. Kapit tayo kasi tayo yung pag-asa ng bayan. We are equipped. Kaya natin humanap ng paraan.
I hope that, these small seeds of activities that you might want to do inside and outside the classroom will create ripple effects of change and safety and, a thriving learning environment for all learners.
nung naka-attend ako ng ating webinar, ginamit ko din sa inset yung materials na to. Very positive naman sila sa pinakita ko. I use the CPA approach to train my kindergarten learners for the International Mathematics Olympiad. And gold awardees po yun, kaya po naparangalan din po na best coach of the year.
Kaagad kong ginamit or kinakaskade yung natutunan ko sa seminar. So sa school-wide yan na sharing or cascading of the strategy. Humihingi na sila ng kopya ng halimbawa yung template ng CRA. So they were asking me, they're coming from other divisions and SDO. So sino naman ang hindi ma-happy na may nag-appreciate din sa ginawa, sinishare mo na yung material.
Mas naging close kami dahil po dito sa Aral series. We cannot stand on our own. Kailangan namin ng isa't isa. Sa aming school pa lang po, total of 95 teachers yung nakinabang po doon dahil sa aking lang nag-iisa na umattend. Mas parang sumabog. So it's like a explosion of knowledge.